Plant these 9 forgotten perennial crops once and harvest forever. Welcome to Agri-Knowledge Hub, the home of farming wisdom, gardening secrets, and nature's timeless truths. If you've been searching for a place that connects the heart of traditional farming with the science of modern agriculture, then you, my friend, have just found your home. To all our subscribers, thank you for being part of this growing community. And to our new viewers, welcome. You've just stepped into a world where every plant tells a story, where soil breathes life, and where one seed can feed a family for generations. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, like, and watch till the end, because today we'll uncover 9 forgotten perennial crops. Crops you plant once and harvest forever. I'll also share with you how to nourish them naturally using organic boosters, and how modern fertilizer science can take their yields to a whole new level. So, let's journey together through time, tradition, and soil. 1. Chaya, tree spinach. Imagine a leafy green that never dies back, survives drought, and gives you food for decades. That's Chaya, also known as Nidoscalus aconitifolius. Once planted, this hardy shrub produces nutritious leaves year-round, rich in protein, calcium, and iron. Organic tip: feed it with a banana peel compost tea. Soak 3 banana peels in 5 liters of water for a week, then pour around the base. Modern tip: every 4 months add a light handful of NPK 10-10-10 fertilizer per plant to maintain lush growth. Cook the leaves before eating, like spinach, and enjoy one of the most sustainable greens on earth. 2. Jerusalem artichoke, sunchoke. Beneath tall, sunflower-like stalks hides a treasure, crunchy, nutty tubers that regrow every year. Jerusalem artichokes are resilient and thrive even in poor soils. Once established, they spread naturally. Organic feeding: mix 1 part wood ash with 3 parts compost, and apply it as mulch each season. Modern boost: apply DAP, diammonium phosphate, at planting. 30 grams per square meter. Their tubers can be roasted, mashed, or even made into healthy chips. 3. Perennial kale. While most kale varieties last 1 season, perennial kale lives for years, especially the Daubenton variety. Harvest leaves weekly, and it keeps growing back. Organic care: spray a mix of neem oil and garlic water, 10 ml neem oil, plus 1 crushed garlic bulb, plus 2 liters water, to deter pests. Modern care: use a foliar feed of calcium nitrate, 1 tablespoon per 5 liters, once a month for greener leaves. This is a perfect blend of tradition and science in your backyard. 4. Sorghum, perennial grain. A forgotten grain of Africa, perennial sorghum is making a comeback. Once planted, it grows back every rainy season, producing seeds and biomass for years. Organic enhancement: apply composted manure before rains, 2 handfuls per plant. Modern improvement: add urea at 50 kilos per acre at mid-growth for extra grain density. With roots that run deep, sorghum stands as a symbol of resilience. A true food security crop. 5. Bananas and plantains, the perennial fruit trees. Plant 1 banana sucker, and in time, you'll have an entire grove. Each mother plant produces several daughters, and the cycle never ends. Organic feed recipe: mix 5 liters of cow urine, 10 liters of water, and a handful of wood ash. Ferment for 5 days, then pour around the base every 2 months. Modern tip: use NPK 17-17-17 fertilizer, 200 grams per plant every 3 months. With proper feeding, a banana mat can feed a family for generations. Truly, a plant you harvest forever. 6. Garlic chives, Allium tuberosum. Unlike regular chives, garlic chives live for years. They thrive in partial shade and can be cut every 3 weeks. Organic feeding: apply liquid compost tea monthly. Modern feeding: add ammonium sulfate lightly after every 3rd harvest to boost regrowth. Their mild garlic flavor makes them perfect for stir-fries, soups, and salads. 7. Sweet potato, perennial in tropics. While many treat it as an annual, sweet potato can be truly perennial if you protect its vines. After harvest, let the vines regrow, and within weeks, you'll have new tubers forming. Organic care. Mix goat manure and kitchen waste compost. It encourages strong vines. Modern fertilizer. Use NPK 14 to 14-14, 50 kilos per acre, once every 4 months. In warm climates, sweet potatoes become a living carpet of food. 8. Lemongrass fragrant, mosquito-repelling, and medicinal. Lemongrass lives for years with simple care. Organic feeding. Every 3 months, sprinkle compost and mulch thickly around the base. Modern support. Use foliar micronutrient spray containing zinc and iron once every 2 months. Harvest the leaves for tea or essential oils, and the clumps will keep multiplying naturally. 9. Moringa, the tree of life. No list of perennial crops is complete without Moringa oleifera, a fast-growing tree that gives food, medicine, and income. Its leaves are packed with vitamins, and every part of the tree is useful. Pods, seeds, even the bark. Organic feed. Use compost made from dried leaves and cow dung, 1 bucket per tree every 6 months. Modern feed. Apply NPK 20-10-10, 150 grams per tree for lush leaf production. Moringa truly embodies the idea of plant once, harvest forever. From the humble Chaya to the mighty Moringa, these forgotten perennial crops are nature's gift, offering abundance without endless replanting and nourishment that stands the test of time. If you plant them today, you're not just growing food, you're cultivating a future of resilience, sustainability, and self-reliance. And that brings us to the end of today's episode here on Agri-Knowledge Hub, your trusted source for farming wisdom, organic insights, and modern agricultural techniques. If you learned something new today, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let's make the Agri-Knowledge family grow. I'll be thrilled to read your comments, your stories, and your questions below. Because this isn't just a channel, it's a community built by people who care about the earth. And to our new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. It's the easiest way to stay updated whenever a new video drops. Until next time, I'm your host, reminding you, plant once, nurture wisely, and harvest forever.